This is a defective RJ45 module Cat6 lap brand. I'm just curious how they made it, how they managed to keep a good connection with just a crimp in here, how many parts it has in it. So let me just strip it open, have a quick look. Managed to get it fully disassembled. This is a fully assembled one next to it. I forgot to mention this little shutter. So this is the main body. This little place here is where that fits in. Shutter goes here and the spring for the shutter. Having a look at the main circuit board element. This is the element that really does all the magic. And basically there's some crimping pieces. I really didn't think that would be a good enough connection for the kind of speed and transfer you'd get on a Cat6, but apparently that works. You just crimp it down here. Then there's the FR4 circuit board and it has some, well, winding tracks. That normally is done when you want to keep the length of the travel paths the same, so that basically signals reach at the same time. I guess it's necessary for Cat6. Can't quite see how it works, so I'll take some pictures in case someone else knows how this works. This is the next piece in the back that shows which colors go where. That's there, that little piece there. And then this is the housing that slips on top and keeps it all compacted. So generally it's just a press fit and they managed to get good integrity and good signal transfer. Would have thought it would have been better to do something like soldering, but I guess just plain crimping works.